Imagine standing at the edge of the deepest place on Earth. Now imagine going down 1 kilometer, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, and still not reaching the bottom. Welcome to the Mariana Trench, the deepest place in the entire ocean. The Mariana Trench lies in the western Pacific Ocean near the Mariana Islands. At its deepest point, a location known as Challenger Deep, the ocean reaches nearly 11,000 meters. That is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. If you placed Mount Everest inside the trench, its peak would still be more than 2 kilometers underwater. At that depth, the pressure is unimaginable, more than 1,000 times stronger than the pressure at sea level, strong enough to crush most submarines instantly, and yet life exists there. For decades, scientists believed nothing could survive in such an extreme environment. No sunlight, freezing temperatures, crushing pressure. But when explorers finally sent cameras into the trench, they discovered something shocking. Creatures were living there. Strange animals unlike anything seen near the surface. Translucent fish, giant amphipods, creatures that glow in the dark, and organisms that can survive pressures that would instantly kill most life on Earth. One of the strangest discoveries was a fish known as the snailfish, a fragile-looking creature that lives nearly 8 kilometers deep. Its body is soft and gelatinous, perfectly adapted to the crushing pressure, a fish that simply could not survive anywhere else. But exploring the Mariana Trench is incredibly difficult. Only a handful of humans have ever reached the bottom. In 1960, 2 explorers descended inside a special submarine called the Trieste. They reached the bottom after nearly 5 hours. When they looked outside the window, they saw something unexpected. A flatfish swimming near the seabed, proof that even at the deepest point on Earth, life existed. More recently, filmmaker James Cameron made a solo dive to the bottom of the trench, descending nearly 11 kilometers alone inside a specially designed submersible. The journey took over 2 hours, and the environment he found was almost alien. Endless darkness, fine sediment covering the ocean floor, and occasional strange creatures moving slowly through the deep. But scientists believe we have barely explored this place. More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, and the Mariana Trench may still hide species that have never been seen before. Even more surprising, scientists have discovered something disturbing at the bottom of the trench. Plastic pollution, fragments of human waste, found nearly 11 kilometers below the surface. A reminder that even the most remote places on Earth are no longer untouched. The Mariana Trench remains one of the most mysterious places on our planet, a world of extreme pressure, total darkness, and strange life forms adapted to survive where almost nothing else can. And the deeper scientists explore, the more questions they find. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Beyond Borders Docs for more mysteries, hidden places, and unexplained discoveries from around the world. And tell me in the comments, would you descend into the deepest place on Earth?